How to set a mole scissor trap. Although there are plenty of mole removal methods, not all of them are safe for your pets or children. Mole scissor traps are the most effective way to get rid of lawn moles and do not require that you flood your lawn or put dangerous poisons on your property. Mole removal with these traps is both easy and efficient. Check your property for lawn mole tunnels. Do you want to place your mole scissor trap in a tunnel that is used often by the lawn moles? You should choose a tunnel that is one of the straighter ones and connects two or more shorter tunnels together. Carefully dig a hole in the tunnel that is about as wide and as deep as the brand of mole scissor trap you will be using. Create a small speed bump across the bottom of the tunnel. Set the mole scissor trap. Place the trigger plate through the loop at the end of the spring mechanism. Then close the two handles together and carefully position the trigger plate horizontally between them. Directions can vary between brands, so be sure to read them. Place the mole scissor trap into the ground so that the trap straddles the tunnel. Fill the hole back in so that the handles are the only visible part of the trap. Tips warnings. The best time to set a mole scissor trap is during the spring, when the ground is soft and the breeding season hasn't begun yet.